FaheemShaheen English Practice. Welcome to my channel.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, we are going to learn one of the most important skills in English, greeting and small talk. These are the first step to making friends, meeting new people and sounding confident in English. Types of greetings. Formal greeting for workplace, strangers, interviews. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, how do you do? It's a pleasure to meet you. Example: Good morning, Mr. Ali. Good morning, how are you today? I'm fine, thank you. Causal greetings for friends, family, classmates. Hi, hey, hello. What's up? How is it going? Long time no see. Example: Hey Sarah. Hi, long time no see. How have you been? I have been good. What about you? Responding to greetings. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. I'm good. I'm doing well. Not bad. How is it going? It's going great. Pretty good. Could be better. Nice to meet you. Same here. It's a pleasure. Example: Hi, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Starting small talk. Common topics for small talk: weather, it's really hot today, is not it? Work, study, how's your job going? How's school? Hobbies, what do you usually do on weekends? News, did you watch the match yesterday? Travel, are you planning any trip? Dialogue example: Hi, how are you? I'm good, thanks. How about you? I'm fine. It's really sunny today, is not it? Yes, I think summer is here now. What do you like to do in your free time? I love reading books. How about you? I enjoy watching movies. Ending the conversation. It was nice talking to you. Have a great day. Take care. Example: Anyway, I should go now. It was nice talking to you. Same here. Take care. Today we learned greetings, response, and how to start small talk in English. Remember, greetings are the key to every conversation. Practice these phrases with your friends, classmates, or even in front of the mirror. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning videos.